I believe your day is fine and going on fine. That my friend, the one with cervical cancer, she's really responding. I called her. In fact, this afternoon I called her. She said she was just about calling me. That Miiracell has so worked for her. That's no supplement that she has taken that has worked like Miiracell. I was so excited. In fact, she called me today to tell me that her supplement has finished, but it has really helped her. She told me she moved out of the house. When she started taking Miiracell, she has been moving about. She even drove the car. This is somebody whose bladder was leaking, bleeding, urine coming out at the same time, and she was on pampers. Right now, she said everything has reduced and she's doing just fine. So I'm so happy with that testimony. I don't know, you can reach out to her, she will tell you more. She's so thankful for Miiracell. So I don't know, we've been trying to raise some funds to get more for